Ready to see gadgets so weird and unique, you'll wonder how they even exist? These viral finds are the kind of clever, quirky products Amazon would never show you, but they might just blow your mind. From unexpected inventions to leave what's out there. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Running low on power is no fun, but this portable charger makes sure you never slow down. With massive capacity, it can top up your laptop, phone, and tablet all at once. The smart display shows you exactly how much juice is flowing, so you're always in control. Fast recharging means the bank itself is ready again in under an hour. Tough, water-resistant, and built for the road, it's the ultimate backup battery. Lighting doesn't have to be boring. This clever little lamp proves it. Instead of a regular switch, you push the whole lever forward or back to turn it on and off, just like shifting gears. It works on a desk or mounts on the wall, and you can pop it out anytime to use as a portable light. Rechargeable and cordless, you can place it anywhere. With dimmable settings, it's both fun and soothing. Breakfast just got a whole lot more fun. This toaster looks and sounds just like your favorite droid, complete with lights and classic beeps while it works. Drop in your bread, and R2 makes sure it pops out perfectly toasted. It's more than just a kitchen gadget, it's a conversation piece that steals the show on any counter. A must-have for anyone who wants their mornings to feel out of this galaxy. Imagine sunglasses that adjust exactly how you want them to. With 9 different tint levels, you control how dark or light the lenses get depending on the sun. The polarized design cuts glare, so driving, fishing, or hiking feels easier on your eyes. Lightweight frames and comfy nose pads make them easy to wear all day. Stylish and practical, they're a smart pick for any outdoor adventure. Ever imagine turning your pool into a private cinema? This massive outdoor screen lets you swim, float, or lounge while watching your favorite shows in full luxury style. The huge display makes movies, sports, or gaming feel larger than life, even under the open sky. Perfect for pool parties or a quiet night dip, it brings entertainment right to the water's edge. Why just swim when you can swim and stream at the same time? Tired of feeling sluggish in the morning or out of sync after travel? These wearable light therapy glasses give you a boost while you go about your day. Instead of sitting in front of a lamp, you just slip them on and keep moving, cooking, working, or even commuting. The gentle blue-enriched light helps regulate your sleep cycle and lift your mood naturally. Lightweight and comfortable, they make therapy effortless and portable. Reading in bed just got a major upgrade. This bendable neck light rests comfortably around your shoulders, shining exactly where you need it without bothering anyone nearby. You can switch between 3 colors and 6 brightness levels to match your mood, whether you're reading, knitting, or camping. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 80 hours, so it's always ready when you are. Typing doesn't have to feel ordinary. This retro mechanical keyboard takes you back in time. With round keys and a typewriter-style click, every press feels satisfying and fun. The LED backlight makes late-night typing or gaming a breeze. You can connect it to 3 devices at once using Bluetooth, or plug in with USB-C when needed. Stylish, ergonomic, and practical, it's perfect for both work and play. Here's a cup holder that's anything but ordinary. This little turtle lifts its limbs and shows off a funny face every time you set down your drink. Made from durable, heat-resistant plastic, it protects your table while adding playful charm to your space. You'll need to assemble it yourself, making it part coaster and part DIY project. Quirky, colorful, and fun, it's a perfect gift for turtle fans or anyone who loves a good laugh. Backyard cooking just got a serious upgrade. This smart portable wood pellet grill gives you the power to grill, smoke, roast, bake, or sear, all in one compact design. A bright LCD screen and Wi-Fi control mean you can adjust temps and monitor food right from your phone. With steady heat for up to 8 hours, your brisket or ribs come out perfect without constant babysitting. And thanks to steam infusion tech, your meals stay juicy, flavorful, and healthier too. Cooking with the sun sounds like science fiction, but this solar oven makes it real. You can bake, roast, steam, or saute, powered by sunlight or a plug when needed. It heats up fast, reaching high temps in about 20 minutes, and cooks evenly while keeping food moist and flavorful. No flames, no smoke, just clean energy and great meals. Portable and safe to touch, it's perfect for camping, survival, or everyday outdoor fun. It's like playing chess against the future. This robotic chessboard actually moves the pieces with its own arm, making every match feel alive. You can take on 25 levels of AI, from beginner-friendly moves to grandmaster-level challenges. Over 1,000 training exercises and endgame puzzles help sharpen your skills step by step. And with classic game replays and smart commentary, it's as much a coach as it is an opponent. Hot day outside? This clever baseball cap keeps you cool with a built-in fan powered by the sun. The soft fan can be adjusted for wind direction and speed, and it's even removable for easy cleaning. You can charge it with solar energy or through USB, giving you cooling on demand. Perfect for fishing, hiking, or just relaxing at the beach without breaking a sweat. Sometimes the best stress relief starts at the top of your head. This electric scalp massager mimics the feeling of gentle fingers kneading your scalp in 360 degrees. 3 different modes let you switch between casual, sleep, or vitality settings depending on your mood. The soft prongs boost relaxation, ease tension, and can even help you drift off to better sleep. Compact and cordless, it's like carrying a mini spa wherever you go. It's like having a little piece of the ocean floating in your room. This mechanical jellyfish ornament spins slowly, mimicking the graceful movements of a real jellyfish. The metal design gives it a futuristic, artistic touch while keeping it durable and eye-catching. Just set it on your desk or shelf and watch it gently rotate like a living sculpture. It's calming, mesmerizing, and a guaranteed conversation starter. Keeping cool doesn't have to mean cranking up the big AC. This mini portable cooler gives kids their own personal breeze anywhere, bedroom, playroom, or even at a desk. With 3 fan speeds and a built-in humidifier, it adds moisture while cooling the air, making it gentler on skin. Rechargeable and USB powered, it's easy to move from room to room. Small, safe, and effective, perfect for hot summer days. Shade, breeze, and mist, all in one umbrella. This clever gadget not only blocks harsh UV rays, but also has a built-in fan and mister to keep you cool on scorching days. Just press the pump button and enjoy a refreshing mist while the fan circulates air around you. A rechargeable battery means no constant swapping, just charge and go. Perfect for beach trips, festivals, or any sunny outdoor adventure. Lighting that actually thinks for you. This smart desk lamp adjusts its brightness automatically, protecting your eyes whether you're working, reading, or studying late at night. You can tweak the color temperature and dimming to get the perfect vibe, all controlled by touch, an app, or even your voice with Alexa or Google. The sleek design is flexible and easy to adjust. It's more than a lamp, it's a smart companion for your desk. Walking two dogs doesn't have to feel like a tug of war. This dual retractable leash keeps both pups in check with one handle. Each lead extends up to 10 feet and automatically untangles as your dogs move around. The color-coded controls let you lock or release each leash separately, giving you total control. With reflective leads for night walks and a waterproof design, it's built for everyday adventures. Ever wished your desk could feel like a mini jet engine? This desktop turbofan brings that aviation thrill right to your space. It blasts strong airflow while staying surprisingly quiet, and even doubles as a humidifier with a cool mist spray. The red tail light effect glows like a turbine in action, adding extra flair. Compact yet powerful, it's the perfect mix of fun design and practical cooling. Saving money has never been this hilarious. This quirky coin bank has a face that actually eats your coins as you feed it. Just bring a coin close and it automatically opens its mouth, chomping it down into storage. It works with most coins and runs on simple batteries, so you can place it anywhere. Kids love the fun, and you'll love how it sneaks in a lesson on saving. Your door can do more than just open and close. It can make a statement. This decorative knob features a resin design inspired by flowers and animals, turning an ordinary handle into a tiny piece of art. The retro round shape adds vintage charm while fitting right in with modern decor. Durable and easy to install, it's a simple way to refresh a room. Every detail feels unique, playful, and personal. Ever seen a speaker that looks like a giant pair of headphones? This oversized Bluetooth speaker is built to grab attention while blasting serious sound. Dual subwoofers pump out deep bass, and the 360-degree RGB lights pulse along with your music for party vibes. You get up to 24 hours of playtime, plus it's splash-proof for poolside fun. Perfect for parties, pranks, or just making your room feel like a concert.